It's Clay Trader, and this will be a video chart on ticker symbol PPHM. We will take a look at the 30-minute time frame. Real quick, what do I mean by 30-minute in case maybe you're new to charts? Instead of each one of these candlesticks, as they're called, representing 1 day's worth of price action, which is what you would normally see, each one represents 30 minutes. So while this here may look like a few weeks worth of time, it's actually just the past few days broken down into 30-minute time slices. I like to this time frame. I think it does a good job of telling the quote-unquote story of the price, and then makes mapping out where levels of support and resistance a bit easier to see. I have done this in the past, so that's where these red and green lines are coming from. But definitely some updates here need to be made. Another very nice day. And first thing I'm going to do is a little house cleaning, just get rid of that line there. Yes, it still pertains, but in the spirit from a presentation standpoint of not wanting a million lines everywhere that can cause clutter and confusion, just want to try to keep this as clean as possible. Now, the first update comes based on a foundational principle in charting. And that principle states that when levels of resistance are broken and closed above, you want to see them act as support. So for those of you that have watched the videos from the past on this one, hopefully remember me talking about 62 cents as resistance, which you can clearly see here. The price struggled to get above it. But now that the price is up above it, ideally speaking, going forward, you want to see the price stay up above 62 cents. If it doesn't hold above it, I'm not saying that the entire chart's ruined by any means, but next level of support after 62 cents would be that purple line there, which is the 50-period simple moving average, which you can see now has a nice steady upward slope to it, and the price hasn't even come close to testing it. But like I said, ideally speaking, yeah, you want to see the price stay up above 62 cents, which brings us to the popcorn point. What do I mean by popcorn point? Well, the big old level of resistance right here at 66 cents. So pop some popcorn. It's looking like it's going to be a showdown tomorrow to close out the week. So this was the level of resistance, and that's where the red line is coming from. And you can see today, and especially if you're watching level twos, and I'm sure you saw that the price was banging its head up against 66 cents quite a few times. So that is definitely the key level, public enemy number one for the chart. And the bulls are doing battle with it. And now it just becomes a question of can they finally push through? And that's why I say put some popcorn in the microwave, get some butter out, and we'll see what happens with it. So that'll be the main thing going into tomorrow is how does the price react with 66 cents? Can it finally break through? We shall see. One of the most popular questions I get is, hey, Clay, how do you find the stocks that you trade? So what I've done is put together this free resource guide where I talk about the tools that I use to locate stocks that I find interesting and think may have potential. So if that sounds like something that could add value to you as a trader, then by all means, click right there to get access to the guide. The guide itself is very short and to the point, and like I say, it is free. Thanks for watching. Have a good one.